Loving can hurt. Loving can hurt sometimes, but it's the only thing that I know. When it gets hard, you know it can get hard sometimes. It is the only thing that makes us feel alive. We keep this love in a photograph. We make these memories for ourselves, where our eyes are never closing, our hearts are never broken, and time's forever frozen still. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your ripped jeans, holding me closer till our eyes meet. You won't ever be alone. Wait for me to come home. Loving can heal. Loving can mend your soul, and it's the only thing that I know. I swear it will get easier. Remember that with every piece of you. And it's the only thing we take with us when we die. Keep this love in its photograph. We made these memories for ourselves.
Happy birthday to your Tiger Melody songs and also long patience. Yes, long patience, hindi long life. Kasi lang kung bad gets ka. So yun, enjoy your day and napakain kang ibakan.
Happy birthday, Ivan!
Uy, Ivan, happy birthday sa'yo. God bless you. God bless you. Ingat palagi. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Kuya Ivan.
Happy birthday, Ivan. Enjoy ka sa birthday mo.
Hi Ivan! Happiest birthday sa'yo! Sana mag-enjoy ka at gagawin namin mas masaya yung birthday mo. Yay!
Happy birthday, Ivan. More birthdays to come and good health lang. Yun lang.
Hi, Ivan. Happy birthday. Good luck sa BR natin. Ingat lagi. Enjoy. God bless.
Hello, Ivan. Ito, happy birthday, boy.
Hi, Ivan. Happy birthday sa'yo. Laki mo na. Boy ka na pala. Anyways, ingat. Happy birthday.
Hi, Ivan. This is Pao. I just wanna greet you. Happy birthday. I may not know you super well, but I know, your friends know, we all know how smart you can be, how friendly you are, and you are someone people can really depend on. And honestly, your moments of panic is somewhat relatable and makes you real. So may God bless you, your year, full of hope, blessings, and surrounded by people you love and cherish. I hope you enjoy the rest of your day. Happy birthday again.
Go.
Happy birthday pala sa'yo, Ivan. Pasok-pasok ka naman, di yung puro absent. Punta ka dyan, magpakain ka naman. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Ivan.
Happy birthday po, Kuya Ivan!
Happy birthday po. Sana po lumaki ka po lalo and sana kumain ka na madami. Sana maging healthy ka. Kasi mahal ka namin.
Sa pinakamamahal kong pamangkin, happy birthday. Dumating pa sa amin maraming kaarawan mo. Happy birthday. Love you.
Happy 21st birthday, Ivan!
We hope you have a wonderful day. We love you.
We love you!
We love you too.
Bye!
Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, Ivan. Enjoy. Yun lang.
Happy birthday Kuya Ivan. I love you.
Happy birthday, Mons. Stay cool, smart, and wise. More birthdays to come. God bless. Peace.
Happy birthday, Ivan. Sana lagi mo nang gisingin na maaga si Poy Poy.
birthday, Kuya Ivan. Sana kailangan makatapos sa pag-aaral para importante may tinapusan. At saka happy birthday uli. I love you.
Happy birthday, Kuya! Ang bilis naman ng panahon. Dibo mo na kaagad ngayon. Salamat sa pagiging isang mabuting anak at saka mabuting kuya sa iyong mga kapatid. Salamat sa pagiging responsable mong anak. Ang wish ko sa iyo ay makatapos ka na yung pag-aaral at abutin mo ang iyong mga pangarap. Maglagi kang mag-iingat, saka mag-pray ka bago ka sumakay sa iyong service o kaya mag-sign of the cross ka bago ka umalis ng bahay. Lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal ka namin ni lolo mo. Sa uulitin, happy birthday! I love you! Mwah! Happy birthday ulit! Mag-enjoy lang! I love you! Bye! Happy birthday, Kuya Ivan. Sana mag-graduate ka sa susunod na taon.
Happy birthday, Ivan!
Happy 21st birthday, anak. Thank you for being a good role model sa mga kapatid mo. Salamat sa pagiging understanding sa mga shortcomings namin ng papa mo. And thank you for assuming the responsibilities kapag kami busy sa trabaho. My only wish for you is that maging successful ka sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay, and always remember na nandito lang kami para sa iyo, handang sumuporta sa lahat ng gusto mong gawin sa buhay. So enjoy your day. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama. Thank you for being my friend, my partner. Wishing you a life full of happiness. Enjoy your day. I love you.
Wait for me to come home.